Thank you. I just discovered this beautiful Indian design. Yeah. It's called a bolero. It's a bolero. And just ended up wearing a in all different, like, I can't even believe it.
Like a boss lady kind of structure.
जैसे बनाएगा भाई आज
Thank you. Yes, yes. Give a look, give a look. Middle, middle. Thank you, thank you. Yes, yes, yes. Middle, middle, please. Yes, have a look. Thank you.
Come down. I said, if you can't tell your friends, किधर देखना है? Yes, yes, yes. Smile, Karan, smile, Karan, smile. तेरे को बोलना है? सोलो, सोलो, सोलो ले. Hold. कुछ बोलना है इधर भी हो गया हाँ क्या बोलना है तू पूछेगा ना
कैसे लग रहा है आपको आज आए वुमन में आने?
मज़ा आ रहा है ऑब्वियसली करण ये जो मुहिम चला रहा है कई सालों से इट्स ग्रेट टू बी पार्ट ऑफ दिस इनिशिएटिव ही इज़ डूइंग अ ग्रेट जॉब बाय फेलिसिटेटिंग वुमेन हु हैव अचीव्ड एंड हु कंटिन्यू टू अचीव एंड जस्ट बाय बीइंग हियर द एनर्जी इन दिस रूम इज इन्फेक्शियस सो आई एम हैप्पी बीइंग हियर
Tell us something that you would like to tell every man. How does he have to treat a woman?
The main thing, you know, people talk about love and friendship and understanding and blah, blah, blah. I think the main thing a man needs to do for a woman, to a woman, is show her respect, treat her with dignity. Unfortunately, that's truly lacking in today's generation. They don't know how to treat women. And which is why you hear so many cases going around in all corners of the country. But I think if a man knows how to treat his woman with dignity and respect, that goes a long way. And I think most of relationships that have lasted and mustered up courage to last an entire lifetime is when a man shows proper respect.
Who is this Julio? Who's this Julio? One second.
And this man is also
Who's this guy? Who's this guy?
चश्मा क्या लगा?
Who's this guy?
एपिसोड भी ड्रॉप हो गया, पॉडकास्ट भी आ गया, चश्मा
तेरे दिल में आएगा 2 दिन में.
ठीक है. So yeah,
So I'm sorry. क्या बोल रहे थे आप?
Yeah, please.
आजा मेरे साथ बोल.
क्या बोल रहे हैं? How much we love each other?
No, today we have to say how much we love our women and how well we treat them. और पूछो अभी.
But tell me something. Is it important to celebrate Women's Day just on one day alone? I think every day is
Women's
Day. You know,
We do celebrate our women every day.
I honestly feel they are the superior species.
They are. I
You
believe
know,
in that.
yeah.
Whenever anybody asks me, I said there's no competition.
Yeah.
They are.
And
And then we have somebody who helps us celebrate women.
Oh.
Please come to the frame.
Thank you guys.
Mr. Harvard himself.
Thank you guys.
How are you?
Yes. We were just talking about the wonderful initiative that you've undertaken, and I think it's great. It's not that we need to celebrate them once a year, but
No, I mean, what I love about the way Karan and Nitish do everything, they do everything with a very nice point of view, and they bring out, you know, things that are very relevant to the times, the age, and they bring it out through education and in so many fields. And I think it's such an important thing for women to be celebrated in not just a domestic vertical, but like in a corporate vertical, in like a sports vertical, in so many verticals, and I'm happy that you guys are doing it.
Thank you so much, and it's such a pleasure to have you, Rohit and Zaid, and you all have always been such good supporters of all the causes that we believe in. Of course, women empowerment, education of the underprivileged. So we're very grateful to have people like you all who come out in full support of such causes, are always willing to lend a helping hand, and we are very grateful and very thankful to you all for that. And it's always said that you educate a man, you educate one individual, but you educate a woman, you're educating a family. So
Yes,
that's what we
yes.
believe in, and that's what we're here today. At I Am Women, celebrating inspiration, creating awareness, and making a difference. So thank you so much.
How do I feel about what exactly?
About how women should be treated today, about Karan's initiative, what Rohit said.
You know, I'm completely in agreement with how Karan looks at it because, truth be told, like if you give a woman 1,000 rupees, she rest assured she'll make sure that if she has 3 children, they all are taken care of. And that's just a maternal instinct that a woman has, and it's probably primal, or probably it's something that one learns along the way. But having said that, it's you know, a man's existence honestly only is still security and reproduction. After that, he's a waste of space. Okay.
I don't agree. He's the provider
I'll be very,
for
very,
her to be the
very-
nurturer.
so that's why security comes in. So the woman actually takes care of the family, both man and woman, going forward. And what values that is instilled, not just over what values are instilled over a dinner table or conversation, what values are instilled over an argument. A woman is paramount in all of that. Yeah. So.
Can you please say one line for I Am?
I Am Woman is about celebrating inspiration. It's about understanding that empowerment is not a goal, it is a journey.
What about you, Rohit? Give me a line.
I don't know what one line, but I think from where I come, my family, I live in a household of women. I have, my mother's always brought me up, like I said earlier, to treat every woman with respect, which they deserve. And like Zahid said, I mean, they are truly, I'll add to that, they are truly the main vertical of our society and of our families. So I'm happy being part of this. In fact, I thanked him yesterday to say thank you for making me part of this journey.
Thank you,
so much.
Rohit. Thank you, Zahid.
Thank you.
I mean, what can I say? There's so many songs written about women, right, in so many ways and forms. Because women basically, you know, they have hearts. They rule the hearts and minds of the family. They are the center of the universe as far as, you know, anything that you inherit going forward, whether you're a male or female within that family. A woman sacrifices 10 times more than a man does. But of course, there are various verticals of understanding that. But I just have to say, all in all, I Am a Woman is such a great initiative. I want to thank Karan and Nitish and of course Rohit and all of us, because we come from such backgrounds where we celebrate women in our lives every day. We have so many sisters and mothers and nephews and nieces that we want to make sure that when they grow up, you know, they're not looked as second citizens. They're looked as equal citizens, equal in the entire pie of life, you know, and whatever that is, whatever vertical that is. So I wish them all the very best.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. For the most political observation of us by writing here.
Zach, just one picture, Zach. Zach. Just one picture. Nitish, come. Please, Zach. Nitish.
Ma'am. Side please.
एक ही फोटो ले रहे हैं.
Thank you.
नवाज अहमद का वाइट. How does it tell us a little about you as a woman and what difference should we make to society as women?
I think women are the biggest contributors, really. They are the nucleus of every household, they're the nucleus of every family. They hold it together, they bind it together. They have the EQ, they have the IQ, they put in the work. They are jacks of all trades, often kings of all, and they really are the fabric of our society.
Tell us a little about Karan and how it feels for him to start this kind of a thing. It takes a man to start I Am.
I know, I was actually questioning him and his partner on exactly that that's got to take a very special kind of man with a very special kind of history to be able to want to get into that zone and make a difference and make it count, and it's 20 years and counting.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Karan, just stay now. We want to do a photo. So, Tahir, how does it feel being with Karan in this amazing initiative?
I am so happy. Firstly, I want to say I'm a big fan of his work, and not now, for many years now. And and also औरतों के हित में जब भी कुछ होता है ना, so I always run towards that direction. Most of the films that we do, all the art that I try to create, also very female centric. So I'd like to thank Karan to call me Karan and Nitish both. Thank you for having me.
How do you feel about what should happen to women today? What is it that they need to be empowered about?
Well, I'll be honest with you because I've been hearing a lot of discussions, right, Karan? Like I'm not talking about the general apathy and what's going on in the world, but मुझे the सवाल जब पूछा जाता है कि how should women be treated, I feel that it's a humanity question. I feel like how we treat each other is more important. And if we talk about women, then we are actually contradicting the fundamental principle of feminism. Feminism का मतलब ये है कि you don't treat women differently. They are like, there are men and there are women. We should all treat everybody how you treat a regular human being, right?
Absolutely.
Like you're not, if you're going to be nice, if I'm not going to be nice to Karan, I'm going to be nice to a woman. So उसमें भेदभाव नहीं होना चाहिए. It's because that we are doing bhedbhav, that there's a man and a woman, which is why what is happening, the atrocities that are being committed against women is happening because we are thinking that there are men and there are women. If we take it out from our mind that, how should women be treated or how men should be treated, probably the problem will solve in itself. So I do think that is obviously it's a top step of the pyramid problem. But I have to say that, स्पेशली हमारे देश में जहाँ पे हमारी संस्कृति देखिए, अगर आप हमारी हिस्ट्री देखिए, औरतों का जो लक़ब है, जो दर्जा है, वो हमेशा बहुत ऊपर रहा है. सो आई थिंक वी शुड ब्रिंग दोज डेज बैक. वी शुड मतलब अगर रिलीजन में देखिए, कल्चर में देखिए, जहाँ पे औरतों को देवी कहते हैं, इन एवरी सिंगल सेगमेंट ऑफ सोसाइटी, यू कांट वर्शिप द सेम वुमन एंड देन यू ट्रीट द women in a particular way, right? So I have a lot of disbelief कि आप मर्द होके या औरत होके. Actually मैंने देखा है कि a lot of women treat women badly also. So again, coming to the humanity question, let's treat everybody nicely, equally. Let's adapt the concept of feminism.
Karan, what do you want to say?
I think Tahir has covered everything that we want to talk about, and I stand for education. And when we look in the field of education, when we go into the slums and we are trying to educate the children there, we often find that funds appear for the boys, but there are no funds for the girls. And that was actually the reason why I Am Woman even was birthed. It was because of that reason where we were like, we need to create awareness for education of the girl child. And in an ideal world, of course, I agree with Tahir that there should be no such thing as feminism because everybody should be equal. And that's what our goal is, that we should all go through this journey so that everybody at the end is equal and we don't need empowerment for anybody. But all in all, I'm very grateful, of course, for Tahir to support our initiative. Whenever we need someone to help, there's always somebody who comes, puts his hand forward for help. That's Tahir. He's always there with us, and for that I'm very grateful. And thank you so much for always being part of our initiatives.
And I always will be. I can't, he's too humble. It takes a lot to do stuff that he does, and you should just know that we are always going to back you back.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I think you might.
So I've known Karan and Nitesh for a very long time. In fact, from the time they started I Am Woman. So it's always good to be recognized for your achievements, your social work, whatever one does in life. And congratulations to them. It's very important. They do a lot of good work. And it's so nice. My best wishes to them always.
And can you tell us a little about what India needs today in terms of women empowerment?
Needs in terms of women empowerment. India needs, where women are concerned itself, what? For women. You just need, I think, what's important is a woman should always back another woman, praise another woman, and never bring her down. Men are always there. So for a woman to succeed, I think it's very important for another woman to support a woman, whatever she's doing in life. And women are always underestimated in terms of, I think, their intelligence, their strength, or whatever way. But it's important to support them in every which way. Today we have women prime ministers, the leading corporates. They're doing so well in life. So I think a woman today is, if she has the right support, it's very important. I'm all for that.
Good to see you.
Hello, my dear. What good timing.
Good timing. How are you?
Thank you. You got your bites?
No.
Come.
Can we do this?
How does it feel to be a time woman?
Sorry, say
How does
that.
it feel today to be here at time?
Just give me a second.
Yes, ma'am.
Now may I take the question?
I'll leave 2 minutes from now. I'll come in and call you back. How does it feel today to be here at time woman?
I love to be a part of anything that says woman, because I think today is definitely the day where we need to be seen, we need to be heard, and we need to come together in solidarity and ask questions and maybe be a part of a solution team. But all in all, it's time to come together and stand together. And I truly consider this a great opportunity and an honor to be here.
How does it feel to tell me a little about Karan and how you feel about him taking this initiative?
You know, I am woman. It's a not an event, but an organization, a stage, a platform, a day, an evening to celebrate women. And that is celebrated by a man. Karan has started this initiative, and that's what we need. We don't need to say celebrate me. We need the men today to come forward, honor us, respect us, and give us the right to exist. We do not have to fight to exist. We have a right to exist. We need to be loved. We need to be tender. We need to be strong. We need to be appreciated, and we have a right to exist. So thank you, Karan, being a man to start I Am Woman. And I encourage and I plead all the men to come forward to do more such celebration of women. I am proud to be I Am Woman. Thank you.
How does it feel to be a part of I Am Woman? You've been there for, I think, the earlier ones.
Yeah, I've got an award, I've received an award, and I've been on the panel also. It's always great to be for women, especially for a woman, and it's very inspiring, and you get inspired by different kind of women and listening to their journey of their life. So I feel it's fantastic what Karan Gupta is doing. It's very inspiring, especially he being a man, and inspiring all the women, especially even the youth, to any age actually. So I feel very blessed to be here again, and always to encourage such kind of events.
What do you feel one thing that we need to do for women of today?
I don't think so. This question is needed anymore in today's life. You have seen, you are a woman yourself, and how a woman, how many, not many, like multiplies and multiplies every day. You can see every woman is achieving something or the other, and they are already equal to men. There's no comparison of that. But in their field, in different kind of field, whether it's entertainment to any field, and they are the best.
Thank you so much. How does it feel today to be at I Am Woman?
It, I think, is a opportunity for all of us women who have been in the professional space to really change what the women of the future, the lives they live, the work they do, the opportunities they create for the women after them. I feel very grateful to be born a woman in today's day and age so that I can make this change in the world for the better.
Thank you so much.
How are you, Richa? Thank you so much for being here. Look at you, looking lovely. Can't believe it's been only 40 days since you had a baby girl.
Yeah, it's not been too long at all, actually.
You're looking amazing. Congratulations on your I Am Woman award today.
Oh, thank you.
In fact, today we have many congratulations for you.
Really?
Your award, the baby, the Hira Mandi show. Amazing.
How good? How are you?
Come now. Please come.
Yes, sir. No.
I will add in one.
Yes. Yes, very. Look here, ma'am. Richa ji,
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I just want to.
Yes.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Why don't no?
Okay, no, take
You
it.
should be in the bus.
How does it feel having Richa here today?
I am very, very excited to have Richa ji with us today because she is someone who lends her voice to every cause possible. Whether it's PETA, whether it's Me Too, whether it's body positivity, wherever you look, she's a woman truly of substance who's not just there for, all right, I'm a star who's doing acting. She's someone who's an activist. And that makes me so excited to have someone like her on a platform like this winning the I Am Woman award. We are truly grateful, humbled and honored to have Richa ji with us today.
Oh, thanks so much. No one has said such nice words while giving an award, so it's really my pleasure to be here. It's very generous of you to give me this award, and I'm stepping out for the first time since giving birth, so I'm also really excited to be here.
Wow, and everybody knows Richa ji is known to speak her mind. So there's no filters here, and what you see is what you get, and that's a very rare quality, Richa ji. We don't see that often. So we are extremely grateful for you coming here today.
Same. Thanks for having me.
Lovely.
Can you give us a few lines for women who look at you for inspiration?
Oh, I think it's a real privilege that any woman or anybody actually looks at me for inspiration, and that I hope I can keep continuing to be authentic and inspiring them.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Can't wait to get inside.
Come.
Haji. Acha.
ma'am.
One last question.
Yeah.
How has motherhood made a difference to your life?
Oh, it's too soon to know the difference really. It's just been 40-45 days. So I guess I'll find out. Right now it's very hectic.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks. How are you, Azrai?
Very well.